Debbie, Mahama na me minim no. Me enye mwa se Mahama be pardon Agrada. Emma e wa sorry ni mu no. This is the time I say some mo kire odoma akwada ketwa no. Me akwada na sam na me hwe o. I'm not looking at the mother. Agrada ko mfie num. O keke sisi ene ye mfie num. Enye mfie dubum. Aha. Total sentence there 15 years. But Erani concurrent. They say Matisa gifty Empress gifty. The lawyer so person file contempt against Agrada. As for Bema there, I say ma cha 1 year or the duane betu nsum. Eno anya hwe. Onye wo fie.
Awusiamu akwa Badiba Island Media Ghana. Sene di kan ya wo hwe video message so be subscribe, wo be like na wa share. Na do comment no so atoho ede ama me ba make kan ni nyina ede ama wo. Ensema trend wo Ghana na nipa wo trend wo Ghana pa fi no abepem sabre. Eye Nana Agrada Evangelist Patricia Asidua adodo na edi friend na se Nana Agrada. Mre bia no yesika gari ho nsensem ba ya uja ye kwate asore ho no so no okobu nkofo fa so ano wanva no ho ani enra na Accra Circuit Court 10 eye ona Evelyn Asamoah etina na dwam emma ni mfie dodo se ene na menyambra sem a wadi yetieti oman emra so ade amra na hye wono ani nsem tieti nkofo fa ahodie so ayusu na adwen dia bu nkofo a chese enya asem keto ama nkofo ko hwehwehwe menam wono no so ebi edam a chese enya asem keto ano enra eye ye mame Evelyn Asamoah man 15 years so onko dem obia aka ne de nene owura kwadwo captain smart a wo ye adwuma ewo onua TV ono so ede ne de aba na se mo aka ne se eye 15 years ye de ama mame Agrada no owura mu na so woduedue mu no keka ne mo tete bi firi mu a eye 5 years ena okwa ne mum enye 15 years na enye ne nwanwa se even our president John Dramani Mahama ebehu ne mobo obepade no na se years no wateso ama na se ubeja no kra visa papa no ahumobro ewo ne mu ansoa asan se eye woni Empress gifty enso wasem o court no so da honom no so eboboba ena ne to so bi enya sem no enya no gwa other cases wo honom a no so eboboba no so ye san so beba ye san twi Agrada biem asan bidina se na ze enua ba ne de ene maami ne ho ewo nsem ewo Ghana ha ba no wie no ekra mu no se eye ni kunu enjelesi amade ade no wacha eye wan ya so ran de obeye na emum wacha ye wan ya ode ne be ma ne betu nsum onye no ofie ho na emum obekwa kwaye no abonten nyengwetie enchirechiremu a ode bae wamra na okasafa Agrada ensem no ho
si Agrada ko mfie num o keke sisi ene ye mfie num enye mfie dubum. Aha. Total sentence there 15 years. But Erani concurrent. But assembly wo hobby.
Okay.
Also the case
gifty
Empress gifty enye Empress gifty de ni bia. Empress gifty de e ba ye nche.
But other court cases.
The same sika gare ne then when you different.
Where you different, yeah. Different.
Nti we no ehyaase dada 2022 afeni yama ho judgment. We nya Mahama ba ye na ya chi Agrada na ye de Agrada kwa akotum dabi. Because I ye kura no Mahama hage no. Tuesday ye twem ye na Mahama hage no. But Jo Mahama ho o se je ekufo. Eche metrim.
Captain.
Ba wo ye difo. Because I know we can say time my judge no yes say yen ko check the pregnancy test no. We can say 5 years do benya.
5 years there.
We can say 5 years di obenya.
Na kwa me kwa me catch 17.
And 5 to 10. In between 5 to 10 years obenya.
Eti o confie num. Na other cases na e wo ho no. Say Matisa gifty Empress gifty.
Yeah.
The lawyer so person file contempt against Agrada. And me wedi ebinum waye nipa bibia na e hadwen. Say sika gare any den a lot of things.
Sika gare case ni da ho.
And that ho where money laundry there.
Money laundry.
Eti me ayana wudi bone a me pese mra no ni wudi.
Captain Smart.
But ayana me was some sport bi ma mo ma na I think say me ma me catch them say me na me wo me yoba but the way I was sitting mass na ya normal. Sada ma me catch them say me yoba.
Captain Smart.
But the way ayana was so maso na master no said we see canon abnormal but still I know me dey happiness say on say the bag girl no nyini ye
Rihanna
your friend say
yeah me so boni say Rihanna
when she ohia obia sanka enna e won life na what me dane no as for Bema there ese ma cha ye 1 year odidua ne betu nsuom eno anya hwe onye wo fie
captain 1 year akra de kwan wa
onye wo fie
uda okra okona wo 5 years
eh o so for me yes obetuna twen nyame anim
captain
so for twen wo nyame anim
uda okra wo ho no kra every day Monday to Friday Saturday Sunday 7 days a week 30 days a month kra wo
we sure
na whole month
mama nya sabi sa Father Abraham
captain
bisa Father Abraham mama ye nya sada nyash sa de te oh ye bema ye timi 10 years
oh captain
oh
mama mu free Old Testament abe New Testament
ye fi New Old
Testament mo be New Testament
oh yeah she suffer solo me yire to kwan suffer solo by 3 years ni on fa duane ntunsuo mu da
mo manyenyi mo amonye no mo 100 e bia benya mu ba akopɛ
oh na guys
asofo nyina wo sa mema
we pa dey need the theater go in this discussion sir be bia no obetumi atras mfie num
oh miss we 100 ade se ba akopɛ
oh enti ye me the empire me ba ne se me bo empire ma angelesiama
enya me nhye ne den
o say abofo no so bi wo ho so a wo very smart people
when
they say bia me nua so for abofo we very smart
hello Monica
but agro nyina ne say
ojai
enye niam a eda fom say namre yi wiase ma ye we ye say ya ma osu bum mfie num dabi
yesterday I hear one man
won a edi fel esre nyina no enje hwe no problem e hwe de ba no
but captain baby akwa girl no go school dey be den so be sorry so go school
enu ne asem no
Monday pass Rihanna say wadware
se school atade
uniform
akọ school
e be ye den
dabi
because enu a wo hwe dey see ye wo court on no court premises on mo na e very on say after judgment no buy no first no omo de call for pregnancy test no and then handcuff no but after judgment no say o pie no na odisa na ye scarf no akata ne nsa so na just handcuff no na de no kwa check kan enti akwan kasa kwa no from enura na akra eba no trauma onemu no
exactly
Monday kokoro ntimi nko school I don't even say next week and I say school kura wo no kura no girl no betimi akọ school ho no bio but eno na make as a captain as a mother as a father and as a parent bibia wo ye bia no so otwe wani hwe wachi social media airspace ni the captain emuso ne a wo pese wo ye bia nya publicity wo puli clout bia wo betimi aye but the end results no
penifo na mo wa Agradaa'S no mu no this is the time I say hu say na mo so mo ko Agradaa'S nya 200 Ghana cedis na mo po asori o de ma mo ntra mo
bebre so sa so no mo ko no because the last time it's a lady be interview also wajai because na oboa no kwa na wo ko no onya de one ne mabedie se nipa na oba be che sika 200 Ghana e ba be che ntoma kensu etu on se ntoma ye fe ni kensu etu so mo ebu so mo na etu o be che sa ati mama no nipa na ye se no wadamu
eti se
no remember
eti na che se de wo ko Agradaa'S sori akopa bibi
wo kopa bibi
ba sa akwada no a ofi Agradaa'S mu ba no no ko na be bo no
ne ba no
ai
oh ba ne de say yi wo ho no mo enje sia ma wo ho
eh
family nsu wo ho enje sia ma wo ho no because na waje aware aboso yi eja ya de buogwa ho bo ehun samena ne wo Ghana ha say na ne eto dua nyuna na wuja yakọ ma ti sa Agradaa'S ka side as also other businesses and they say no say enje sia ma de no tunsu no 5 years se kwadwo na ntimi a e wo so wotimi 5 years kwa se kwadwo enye 5 years soon no betwa afi bia so te afi bia so bet nti wan ko betimi akobe se 4 years so enya presidential pardon because me de e be me wan say president Mahama after nsama wo do Agradaa'S gina na so dem kai 2024 think around November mu ho e ka de kire papa ne pa no. But President Mahama ni ehunu first 2012 to 2016 no onye the same President Mahama 2025 to 2020 a year idi koyi o. Onye the same o. Captain, onye the same. Enti no. Any first na.
Debi Mahama na me minim no ho. Me enje mo say Mahama be pardon Agradaa'S.
The law is the law.
And only a chief justice statement too.
But I said that the law is the law.
But some law also just a president to be pardoned.
Anti-president pa. Say president penasa.
Mahama pa.
Opa.
2-3 years. Obe pardon Agradaa'S.
Opa.
Because we call 5 years. Let's go 3 or 4. Let's all pardon na. Say anything.
Me kuni president Mahama me advice is on pardon it da.
Debi anything.
Yet unim.
Adia me the year Mahama 2016. Me na me yiri share no Dubai airport. Me na me pe baby dimiti afa.
But on one afre wo.
On one afre me no je me yiri bag president okuta me yiri bag. Yes o waje me yiri bag. No asante na tra baby otie. Say yenko. Say that they don't want me yama. Oh, and
Odem 2 months kra wadem.
Engineer Siama mabunye du. Jina wona so. Agradaa'S ma no ye omo atu. And se wo benya look edabia se ne ba ne bia nyini o so mu nyini o.
Sika wo ho nti won ware foforo.
Sit down with them.
Sika wo businesses wo ho ye obehweso.
Business be ya.
Oh, but say it is Agradaa'S.
I am telling you here, not sorry no kwese dey na ho be she da yema for solidarity. The next Sunday, esubete for solidarity. The next Sunday, esubete for solidarity. Ghana had ye wono, se wunima for pa life check ade. So for Joshua, Coco Joshua, Kumase, for the check ade. Ye o sa no bi so sorry here, ye friend no obotuo so sorry here. Then they see here. Minim said the Ghana sorry here. Nkutoba ye asenti bi da. So form of force say that's on the double swati. Upon try independence square bi.
Obi nim nyina swati.
Obi nim eswati.
Obi nim nyina swati.
Bebre. Pentecost kura swati. Etino ebedu baabi no ho. Ese de bia me catch say omanya enwene emma ene nkwada ho no. Sa oman no enhyeda nyo oman papa sa. Enti enra angel den esema. Onu kwa na dai.
Today, you don't hear it.
Hey, obofo awayere. Na enra obofo ba na.
Oh.
And then so see
We dey mess Empress gift to class on fanche.
What is madam for so for pass the question o ma ware so.
Your
friend say
So for no question ware
no co prisoner na eyen. No co prisoner na enje siama. Empress in fanche.
Empress gifty.
Empress in fanche.
There be o Empress wo ho. Obetu yan na just say o de beche. I am telling you today.
Hopes in fanche.
Company.
Atem the DNA dross.
Yeah. 3 days ago, me share that friend Empress. Said the mayor, me sure say na hopes in one in chain. Or take the line of conversation no emse no mpe.
Okay.
It's me having your hopes in anime ankasa.
Okay.
Because I wanted him to leave that matter. Because na me dim the eba.
Okay.
It's me share gifty. Me can say me chire no. E we adam for sofo bi fie. Say ni na beko.
Now nim say right da bone e ma Agradaa'S.
That's how me catch now. Then I me catch out the fiata go.
O catch say Agradaa'S obeko. Ni enim kwa so odina court.
Catch up say obeko.
Yeah. 2 weeks ago. Say Agradaa'S bedem.
Obeko.
Abusia ensem no na yakotie ede aba no. Na ne to so biem. It's allegedly say Mama Jane Mensa EC chairperson, electoral commission chairperson no. Soldiers are ebo no ho ban no ene yaredro wo mu. Yaredro mu nyina se obia mfiri ho to mo bo no ho ban wo fie okwo officer na edi na chi woni fie kwa na ebo ni fie ho ban no. Sisi ya ne yaredro mu. It's allegedly say yaredro wo mu. Na in this first in history me say EC boss onama soldiers edinachi yehu eye owura afarijan baaye no onante freely me hu say soldier ni edinachi da ene yenya Mame Charlotte Osei ono so baaye yehu say soldier ni edinachi a obo no ho ban na ba nsen na James anko ade yesesa soldiers edinachi a bebu obeko bia ne bedroom chese beko nkura na ne bathroom kura no ebi hye ho a obo no ho ban isi wadwuma ne say ye beto aba no wa conduct wa ye nhyehyɛ ma ya to aba no wa ba be declare we need declare we are wadwuma sa den biem na wose wonama den panti na wose wonama so just for bo ho ban senga wonim say wa ye clean job wa ye dwuma ne say ne say kunsun bie ni mu aso bie ni wa ye clean job mu do transparent den ti na wonama e was usuru and so just bo ho ban I don't even get it and is yaredra o mache so just from Kumache or sing that time Mahama winning na president John Dramani Mahama o winning na was in Kerrido so just nina easy there who the soldiers here then when you be wadwuma san den tina esro ben wan san e was wo the soldiers born ho ban enti ni atia no as alleged say ye Kerrido soldiers nina ye ni di nsem ye chi ye be free mo ba bia no ye mfa nkame ye na tiefo